to this training on the customizable template of the weekly planner for time blocking. I've got this set up right now for someone who does direct sales or social selling, but this can be customized for any number of things. So let me walk you through this first. This first sheet is just sort of a how-to. Please be aware that you need to make a copy of this sheet before you begin. You do not want to mess with the original, change the formatting on the original. You want this to be copyable, or excuse me, to have a copy file to use for each of your weeks. So just make a copy. You can just come right up here to File, and that handy dandy fourth drop down is make a copy, and you'll do that. You can always reach out to me at email here and ask your questions, and obviously this video you clicked through and got it, so hopefully that's what we're going for. So if you want to share this, or excuse me, rewatch this, that's what it's for. And here's some troubleshooting. But really, we're going to come over here to the weekly planner once you've made your copy, and notice what you have here. We've got a weekly task section. We have the entire week laid out here. We've got a to-do list underneath the each day of the week. We've got a setup box over here, and then your categories and a note section. So to begin using this, you're going to come to the setup, put your start date of the week in, whether you want it to start on a Sunday or a Monday, and then whatever time of the day you want your daily schedule to begin, you'll enter that. I have 5 a.m. entered for this example. I have also put in my daily tasks or daily habits that I want to work on promoting. These are predominantly work-related things because I'm using this time blocking to overcome some procrastination. So that is what I've entered. You can obviously customize it for your own personal needs. Now, this categories area, these 10 categories, you can customize all of these. If you don't need social media in there, say you don't need to track your household chores or things you're doing like that, you can absolutely customize these. You'll click on the field and come up here and change whatever it is that you want to turn that into. But please do not edit the color fill in the boxes because it will actually change the formulas. Okay, so that will populate over here in your week, and that will help you to see where it is you're spending your time and what is working effectively and what you can work on from there. My daily habits, I really like this because it keeps track of how I'm doing for the week when I do these check marks, but it also will help me in seeing which things I am being consistent in by category as well. Another different way that I use this that might not be self-explanatory just looking at it is the to-do list, because I'm using this for social selling and for my business, which is selling on social media. I have these set up so that rather than being tasks, they're actually people so that I can track my follow-up. So I've got these set to low, medium, and high. You can choose whatever it is, but they are listed on here as a task. So let's just say I use the category of social media because that's where I met them. Perhaps it was in a group or something like that. I can put their name down, and you can see this one above. I put a number 2 there because that was my second follow-up with him, or my second point of contact. So this way I can keep track of how many times I spoke to someone, and I've got this on file. Okay, and again, you have a note section that you can just keep track of maybe themes or topics that you want to use for your online content or whatever it is that you're planning. Okay, now once you have finished the week with this, you could save this. I actually name it when I'm using it by the week, so I have many of these in my Google Drive that are used, and then I will hit clear data and go back to the setup area and fill out for the next week. I actually will set up the all the weeks of the month so that I've got them ready to go in different named files so that I can pull those up so that I can add appointments to them and things like that, just so that I can see my week at a glance when I scroll through here. So that is something that you can do. But when you are done with your week, and you've saved it if you want to, or you're ready to go, you just hit clear data, which will take out the appointments and things like that, and then you're ready to begin a new one. All right, so this has been super helpful for me, dealing with the sense of being overwhelmed, as well as dealing with some procrastination. Can't even say the word, I dislike it so much. So there you go. Hope that helps you, and let me know if you have any comments or feedback, or if you need any help. Cheers.